Okay, para dahil si Diyos sa pangal kabuhatan, we will play a game about EdTech, and I am Theodore Purpose Jr., your game host for today. So, for the group 1 or the team 1, this, yes, Ayawon. For the group 2, Fernandez. Woo! For the last group, okay, let's start the game, Mr. Ayawon. Which group?
I'll choose the first, the 100 points of the first column.
Okay, let's go. What is the meaning of ICT?
The meaning of ICT is informations and communications technology.
Very good. Let's check it out.
Yay!
Okay. 100 points for Mr. Ayawon. Okay, let's continue. Number 2.
Okay, so I'm going to choose the fifth category, the number one.
Which?
Five, the fifth columns.
Okay, let's go. External focus and stimulus response.
Behaviorism.
Okay, let's check it out. Woo! Okay, Mr. Hernandez will gain 100 points. Let's continue. Miss Molana, who will you choose?
Number 3.
Hey, 100, huh? It is a famous virus that was created here in the Philippines.
I hate you. And I love you.
I love you. Let's check it out. The loved one. Okay. First to reach 800 points will be declared the winner. Okay, let's continue, guys. Okay. Which grade, Mr. Ayawon?
The second column, 300 points.
Second group, 300 points. Wow, this is the ability.
The context of ICT, integration.
Integration. Is it your final answer? Hey, let's check it out.
I don't think so.
Oh no! Minus 300. My bad.
You need to follow my lead.
Okay.
So I'm going to choose the third column, the 200.
Okay, let's check it out.
Involve reversing the traditional learning model by delivering instructional functions outside outside the classroom. So, instructional educational technology.
Okay, technology. Okay, let's see. Oh. Okay, next. Okay. Miss Molana, which grade will you choose?
500.
Wow!
103?
That's what I like.
Okay, let's take there, huh? What does AACT mean?
Association. Association. Ay, eight.
Okay, no answer? Okay.
Association for
Sakto dito.
9. Minus 400. Okay, continue. Mr. Ayawon, which grade?
500.
What? 500 first? What? Okay, theory and practice of design, development, utilization, management, and evaluation of processes, resources for learning.
Go. I love
Cognitive. Know what to do.
Okay, let's go. Check it out. Instructional technology. Minus 700.
Okay,
Okay, which grade, Mr. Fernandez?
so I'm doing the fourth column, 200. Still 200.
Okay, let's go.
200.
Combines traditional face-to-face instruction with online learning.
face-to-face instruction. I think it's a blinded. Blinded, sir.
Okay, let's check it out.
Blinded.
Okay,
Blended.
Okay, let's continue. Miss Molana.
904.
Nakala hindi. Oh. Complete up 8 to 93 is.
Pwede ako?
Ano yan? No! Magalong ka na.
Iya mo na na. I know. Iya mo na na. On.
Anything at IPR or intellectual property rights.
Okay. Right, yeah. IPR. Ito man eh.
Last.
Wala
At least.
Your turn na.
It's your
At
turn.
least.
Sige, 100. Sige. Word technology.
Wala. Ha.
Technique.
Okay! Very good!
Yours 600.
600. Ay,
100. Sakto na. Hanggang 100.
Sakto na to.
600. Set. Okay, next.
Okay, I'm going to read the first.
First balloon, 200.
Concerned with method and resources for the ultimate goals. I think my answer is education and technology. Education, okay, education and technology.
Very good! Okay.
Ha!
100.
Ha!
Everyone.
I am
Next.
Is 401.
101. Wow, receiver. Ah!
Plus 5 years. 5 years. Life plus 50 years.
Okay, let's check it out. Kapit, sayang.
Plus survive 50 years.
Okay, continue.
Ah, 100.
Oh!
I remember lang sa ako.
Okay. Mental processes and sense making.
Ay!
Negative point daw. Ala, negative na naman!
Okay. Let's go! Positivism. G.
Anyone.
500. Okay, Mr. Fernandez.
I like to go the fifth column 200. I like 200.
100 here?
The fifth
Oh, the fifth puno.
column 500. I like 500.
Let it use ICT.
Sorry, Your Honor.
Wala mo
Emergency. Nice. Ayan.
Minus
300. Okay, next.
300.
300 here. What? Okay. Sige na. Modification. Ay, applying. Sayang.
Ha! Ayawon!
Ayun.
Parang 500.
Wow, pitulog. Sige.
No.
It's your answer, Mr. Ayawon.
is your answer? What is your answer? Alright? Kapag ko, basta Dili po. Okay?
Sige, sige.
Isa mo?
Same, same old.
Go! Check! Check! Nice! Kasi utang! Oy! Mr. Fernandez!
300! Third column.
300 third column. Let's go! Ability to experiment and innovate. Today,
Modify it.
sige, sige. Transforming. 600. Okay, Mrs. mo lang. 300. 4. After construction of knowledge.
No! Construction worker.
Constructivism.
Sige na. Let's go! Constructivism.
Wow!
Wow! Grabe! 300. Sige.
Asan tayo?
Ayun.
Dennis? Asan ka ngayon?
Sa kan?
500.
Oh, 500. Okay, let's go! Republic, ano ba? Limot ko.
Virus?
ICT ICT Basta.
Sige, sige.
Isa mo?
Department DIAC. DICT.
ICT. ICT lang training mo.
2000.
ICT. Ito. ICT. ICT na. Okay.
Kulang visa yan. Sige, sige.
Wala pa ko lang pili.
Ay, saan mo? Ay!
Oh, sige, gusto mo.
300.
300 plus no. Sige na, palibot.
Timing?
Timing lang. Time bound.
Time bound. Okay, time bound. Okay, let's check. Ay, pumudo. Nasayang.
Ay, oo.
Pumudo to.
Yung
Hindi.
time management.
Okay, 900. Sige, sige.
Ano yung natuon ako?
200. Integration.
Sige lang. Sige lang. Sorry, Your Honor, hindi ko na po maalala.
Lagi integration eh.
Ay! From the word game!
Oh. Last round, last round.
First round ulit.
Oh. Multi-board that are joined together along the side.
May tingin na. Hold the ball. Ano? Sige nga. Nalimutan ko sa term. Siguro kayo galing gumawa yun.
Yan, nakalimot mo.
Snake na. Oy, wala na. Lord Maris off.
Ah, grabe po.
Sir mo.
So, sige, sab siya.
Mga clipboards ganina. Wala ko na ako. 1-3 ako.
Kani. Term often used interchangeably with CBI.
At check your phone. Chargeable? Chargeable? Ay, chargeable?
Sige.
Assistant instruction.
C-A-I. C-A-I. I.
Guys. I want three.
Okay, last.
Last, which grade?
100.
If okay. Best method for material.
That requires CPT from the 6 months to
Ha! Wala! Your. At least ako, what?
No.
No, no. Ah!
Sige na, may message yan.
Sige na. Ala.
Okay! So the winner is...
Winner is